Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. It could be practically any BMW guys from year 2010 up. If you need to remove or replace license plate light bulb, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that in this video today. There is one trick, and if you don't apply it correctly, you can damage the trunk lid, you can bend it, you can break your license plate bulbs. You can actually cause multiple damages, so stay with us, we'll explain what we are talking about. Now, before we start, let me just tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. We're constantly getting new vehicles. Why we guys do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune guys. We've worked on multiple BMWs, and that's one of our favorite cars to work on, so we'll have multiple videos. We probably, not to say a big word, but we have over 1000 videos just on BMWs now, how to fix things. So let's explain how to replace license plate light on BMW tag light. Always turn the lights off when you do that, because otherwise, okay, you can short things out. Now, those are the lights. Let's explain now. We'll show you guys how to do it on one of them, but the other one is exactly the same way. Both of them are removed in exactly the same direction as well. Okay, both of them exactly the same. So if we come right here now, this is the light. You're going to get a big flat screwdriver. When you get that screwdriver guys, it goes in that canal right here. You're not going to pry this way or that way, don't do that. You're going to grab that screwdriver and you're trying to shift the light, the whole light, to the right. It will apply the same thing on the left side as well. They will both go the same way. So grab that whole screwdriver and check out how I'm going to just push the whole light to the right. Right here, there is one spring, and you can see how the light moves. And that spring, when it's compressed all the way to the right, you're going to pull on the screwdriver a little bit and it will pick that piece up. Now let's explain what we have here specifically, so you know, okay, what we are talking about. Okay, let me see so I can focus here. Perfect. So if we come right here, this is guys, okay, the spring that we have. Okay, that spring right there, that's the one that we compress. This is the clip that comes out, super black here. Okay, so when we compress it to the right, that clip can come out, otherwise it's impossible. And now we disconnect the cable. Okay, and this one, it has a little bitty tooth here, so don't pull on the wires, try to pull on the connector itself. Okay, and it comes out, because if you pull on the wires, you can yank them out of the connector and damage them. That's how you guys remove license plate tag light on BMW. Later, you just push it in, lock it in place, you just push it, and that's it. Everything gets locked where it's supposed to be. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.